All right, what's going on, YouTube? Well, I got something in the mail today. Actually, I got it yesterday, but originally I was so impressed with that little speaker I got over there, the Motion 300, that I decided to go ahead and pick up this new one they just released. And this one is more expensive. I'll put the price that I paid for it. There was a coupon, I believe, so I can't remember how much it was off. I want to say it was $40 off for purchasing it early. But like I said, I was really impressed with that speaker over there. And I kind of wanted to get this one because I wanted one for myself. That one over there is for my wife. Matter of fact, I went to her studio and snuck it away from there. And so I can kind of listen to it and see what the differences are. But let's real quick just see what the box says right here. So it's high-res audio, wireless, room filling, 40 watts of sound, 12-hour playtime, IPX7 waterproof. So let's see what's on the back of the box here. Just kind of tells you Bluetooth 5.3, 40 watts, kind of the same stuff right here. But let's get it open. It's pretty heavy actually. All right, well there's the speaker, and then looks like we just got a guide, and then looks like USB-C charge cable. So basically that's it. Let's put this to the side. All right, this thing is pretty hefty, but you know what? That little Motion 300 was hefty too. So of course, you know, it gives you the premium feel. And yes, it definitely has the premium feel. Now you can see it's kind of like a more of a lunchbox type speaker, right? With the handle. Looks like it has maybe a microphone right there. Maybe on the other side too. Yeah, so my wife was kind of weirded out because she didn't realize that this speaker right here had a microphone, and it was working when she took a phone call on it, and she didn't realize you could do that. But so you can see right here, I mean, it's pretty substantial difference. You know, man, this thing for as small as this feels premium, like super premium. Let's lower this down a little bit. All right, so well, there it is. I mean, you know, just like it's got the power, Bluetooth base, power, Bluetooth. I'm not sure what this button is. And then this has the minus, plus, and play, pause. Now this one's supposed to have a speaker here at the top, so to give it like a more dynamic sound, but I don't know. I guess we're gonna find out. So let's go ahead. Let's hook it up and let's see what it sounds like. Let's see how easy it is to pair. All right, so see, it's pairing the device. I'm sure it's gonna go to, see, I already have my Motion 300. Device found, connect, update. So it already wants to update. Don't disconnect. Installation could take up to 5 minutes. Restart, please wait a moment. All right, so it just restarted. All right, let's just start with some regular music. See, like half volume. That thing got some bass. I'm not sure what this does. did change the sound a little bit. Man, that thing put some bass. It sounds different for sure. Spatial signature. Okay. So it does change it when you press that button. Oh, okay. So it goes through different ones. That's why it was just sounding different. Let's switch this on. We got to do it. It does put some bass. Oh yeah, that's so funny. All right, let's why is it not letting me play this song? Man, this little speaker gets it, man. And that does change the sound.
You say I make you nervous, a tragedy, I'm a beautiful disaster, a reckoning, you wonder how I got this way. You think I'm someone to be saved, someone to clean up and tame. Oh, some things never change, never change. Oh. You think I would look pretty on your arm once you cover up my bruises and battle scars, but it always ends the same. Can't bear the things I've had to face. Got you crying on your knees in pain. Oh, some things never change, never change. Oh, you will break your back to make me feel again. Suffocate to make me breathe. Lose your mind from endless pain. Some things never change, never change.
All right, well, initial, man, these little speakers, they sound good. You know, I'm going to see if I can get both of these going at the same time. All right, let's see what these speakers can do. I kind of got them close to the same percentage, right around like 75%, but let's see how they sound. X500. $300. Listen what double the price sounds.
Waiting for the final gates to open to a new tomorrow. Moving with the motion, following the light that sets me free.
Man, that's. But that does sound good. Let's see how it sounds in the video. Well, 300 gets it. But not like that. Man, you know what? Like seriously, these little speakers, man, they sound good. Like I can't believe you can get that much sound out of this tiny little box. You know, and it is kind of pricey. Don't get me wrong. I mean, this thing, I just looked it up. So I think I paid, what did I see? I think I paid $130, and it's $170 normally. So that is pretty pricey, you know. So don't get me wrong, you're paying for it. But I believe this one's like around 60 or 70, if I remember right. So it's like half the price, right? And are you getting double the sound? Man, I'm gonna probably have to say yes. As good as this little speaker sounds, this little thing gets with it, man. I mean, it is a lot bigger, you know, as you can see. It's like double the size, right? Double the price, double the size, double the sound. I guess it makes sense. The cool thing is these speakers are, you know, water. It says waterproof, but I don't know if anything is really waterproof. But you know, so you could take it to the beach, or you could take it to by the pool, or you take it outside, and you have to worry about, you know, really anything, you know. And then that also means you could probably, if you get it dirty, you could probably rinse it off and keep it clean and looking nice. But man, all I gotta say is Soundcore, you know, as far as build quality, excellent. Premium feel, absolutely premium. Premium sound too. Premium sound. This little thing, man, it gets it. Like seriously, it would be tough to pay $170 for it. I mean, it's even tough to pay the $130 I paid for it. But you know what I mean? I wanted myself a nice little Bluetooth speaker, and I'll be honest with you, I wanted a nice little speaker that I can edit my YouTube videos on. Something that where people that watch my videos, you know, so I can see what it sounds like as I'm running it back. But and that's the reason why I got this. So we're gonna see how it sounds, and this is just through the, you know, my S22 Ultra microphone. I didn't go all crazy on the mics or anything like that. I just want to see what it sounds like. But hopefully the video will, you know, get close to representing what I hear, because I'm gonna tell you, this little thing gets down. But hey, if you don't want to spend too much money, get this. Take it to the beach, have some fun. My wife loves it. So anyways, that'll conclude the video. We'll just end it right here. Signing off, YouTube. Have a wonderful evening. Peace.